बड़ी खबर इस वक्त की। मदुरई पहुंचे राहुल गांधी ने किसानों के मुद्दे पर केंद्र सरकार पर जमकर हमला बोला है। किसानों को बर्बाद करना चाहती है सरकार का घेराव करते हुए राहुल ने क्या कहा, सुनिए।
My friend, the government is not just neglecting them. The government is conspiring to destroy them. There is a difference. Neglecting is you ignore them. They are not ignoring them. They are trying to destroy them. They are trying to destroy them because they want to benefit 2 or 3 of their friends. They want to give what belongs to the farmer to 2 or 3 of their friends. They want to take the land of the farmer, they want to take the produce of the farmer, and they want to give it to their friends. That is what is happening. So the word neglect is too weak a word to explain what is taking place. The other thing is that the farmers of this country are the backbone of this country. If anybody thinks that you can suppress farmers and this country will continue to prosper, they just have to look at our history. Whenever Indian farmers are weak, India is weak. And I would like to ask a counter question. You are suppressing the farmers, you are helping handful of businesses. When Corona comes, you are not helping the common man. You are not supporting the common man. Whose prime minister are you? Are you the prime minister of the people of India, or are you the prime minister of two, 3 selected businessmen? And the final question, what is China doing inside our territory? Why are the Chinese people sitting inside Indian territory, and why is the prime minister, why has he got nothing to say about it? Why is the prime minister completely silent about the fact that Chinese troops are sitting inside Indian territory?
छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए मैं यहाँ पर रुकना है। बड़ी खबर पर आगे भी आपको अपडेट